How to hide game activity in Discord. It's very simple. So open a Discord and then go ahead and tap on the setting icon. Now in the left hand side in this list, scroll down and under activity settings, you will find activity privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. Now at the first, you will see display current activity as a status message. So you can go ahead and toggle off this slider. Now, if you want to turn off your activity by default, go ahead and toggle off the slider. This is when you are joining a large server with 200 members. Now this is for your default setting. Now if you want to turn off your activity status for a particular server, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and tap on the drop icon of the server simply like this. Then from there you have to go ahead and select the option of privacy setting. There you will find the option of activity status. Here you can see it is toggled off. Now if you want to toggle it on, just simply tap on it and you will be able to display your activity status. If not, just let it be. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.